Then next is the file name. This is very interesting. So file name, it includes the full path of the file that contains the reference. So if I am interested in knowing the file name of this file, so I'll say cell file name. So I have taken from here file name G4. Any reference you can take. It is not necessarily G4. Anything you can take and press enter. So see what it has given. So it has given me a directory where this file is located. This direct file is located in this directory. The file name demonstration.xlsx and sheet1. Sheet1 is the name of this sheet on which we are working. Right? So you get the entire thing, full in file name, including full path, including the sheet that you are working on. Okay. Now I have the next question for you. So based on this, since we have already done the text function, we want to know what is the name of the sheet on which you are working. So you have to actually extract this. It can be done using the write function, but you have to search. You have to search for this closing bracket, square bracket. Right? So I have written a code for this here. So you see, I will search in the cell B15. What I will search for the square bracket, and the square bracket will give me. So let's see, we search for this square bracket in this. So find text. So find text square bracket within this text. So it has given me on 89. Now I want to get right of this 89. So the total length is whatever minus 89. If I give, I will get this. So let's say the total length, I'll get the total length. So total length is 95. So I will use the write function and text, and I'll say 95 minus 89. Okay, right? So I should get the value of sheet 1. Right? So what I have done is B15, whatever it is there, B17, I copy the B16 formula and paste it here. Remove the equal to sign. I copy the len formula and remove from B17, and that's that. So this is how I'll get the sheet name on which you are working. Now the next is like, if I want to get the directory on which we are working, so how do I get it? So what I will do is, I will, instead of searching for square bracket closing, I will search for the opening square bracket. See, I have got at 70. So 70, and then I will say give me left of this text and the number of characters 70. See what it will come. So but please see, it is giving me this also, which I don't want. So I will say 70 minus 1. So I have got the directory. So this is the directory on which we are working. Now the next question comes is, what is the file on which you are working? So this is slightly tricky. We are working on this file demonstration.xlsx. How to get it? So what are the things will be required? The things that will be required are kind of repeated. You have to search for this, which we have got here. Then you have to search for this, which will come here. I will search for this 89. Now if you use this mid function, it will say this is the start text, and start number we want to start at 70, and the number of characters will be 89 minus 70. Let's see what it gives. So see, it gives me this square bracket also. So we have to say that we want to start from B16 plus 1, and here we have to say B16 plus 1. I am putting it in the bracket because we want to extend that, and it comes the demonstration.xlsx. Now only thing is, like, you have to substitute B16, you have to substitute this search in B16, and then in B16 you substitute, and then B17 you have to substitute this function and then your work is done. So demonstration.xlsx. So see how smartly you can get file name, you can get sheet on which you are working, you can get the directory on which the file is working. So where it will be used, if you are passing on your file to some of your colleagues, you don't know which directory they will be working, so you can smartly get this information from them in their file.